Hi everybody, my name is Ekene Mike Ejeze, the one, the only Ekene Mike Ejeze. I'm actually vlogging. I'm vlogging. This is Jessica, guys. You guys already know Jessica. We have no idea. We're just moving. I'm going to get water, but like what water? I don't know when to get water. I'm just looking out. I'm so short. I'm so short. Say hi to my vlog Bridget and Ekene, and now I'm scared. Hi guys. Oh, why they feeling like hi guys? My name is Amarachi. I'm smoking. I'm smoking. Oh. Hey, don't bash my car. It's today the day of bashing. Come on, record us. Giving, she's wearing everything African. Then this is Bridge, babe. And action. Change completely. Okay, wow. I mean, then this is Yumi, who is helping Memi, the cutest of them all. And this is Memi. Memi already changed. You know she went to church. And this is Ekezi. Voila. Voila. This is Ekezi.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Lights, please.
if you know these songs, I want you to vibe with me tonight. Tell me, come on.
Hello guys. It's supposed to go there. Alright guys. My name's Ekene. Like, yeah. Is that actually recording? Yes, who are you and why are you here? I'm a mess right now. But my name is Ekene. Listen, I look a mess. I look a mess. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to be dark. Why are you making me everywhere dark? I'll put on like I can't even find the floor. Anyways, they don't know who you don't know who that is. I don't even know her. I just found her in my house. But yeah. Lies. Bye guys. I'm going to London right now. I'm wearing my two-piece from Chanel. Haha! Rome, Chanel Rome. You're very somehow. Ekene is leaving Lagos, guys. Yeah, guys. Back to Kano State. Land of no traffic. I'm going back to the land of no traffic. Lesser sun. Lesser sun, okay? Yes. The north. You guys, go to the north. Yeah. What do you mean by lesser sun? Are you serious? You live in Lagos, sir. I'm not close to the desert. Why is my flight by 6 and I'm leaving to go there by what is 2? You guys are going to it here. Sit down here. Sit down here. I wear black and black. It is white, which means does not like this white. Because I don't get like, what is this? I think this white is actually kind of cool. How is it cool? In the jeans. How do you vloggers do it? Outfit of this. Should we say how do you vloggers do it? And I've worn this shirt actually because it's my brand shirt. Have I shown you guys this? It's supposed to be when I'm going for makeup or something. I don't actually wear this and short. I don't have shorts. I don't have shorts. I don't have shorts in this era of my life. I think this one that is straight. One that has 84. Like, it's not straight. Can you see what I'm saying? Don't look like back. Not the only ones I want to give my friends to start wearing. But when I do that, hi everybody. So this is Ekene, the famous. I just want to like start that. Like, I'm not here like voluntarily. Yeah, I'm here against my own. So yeah, and you guys, my face is like so oily. Jesus. Ekene has never been on my YouTube channel before. This is her very first time, and she's just so excited. She's like, "Oh my god, I want to be on your channel." Lies, lies. Yes. So can you talk to them? Hi guys. Okay. I'm watching this here. Okay. Hi everybody, my name is Ekene Mike Ejeze, the one, the only Ekene Mike Ejeze. Yes, that's me. That's Mike. That's it. Mike. What's he? Mike. You guys, this is what I have to deal with every day. Like every day. So what is the okay? Not every day, because Metia has decided not to come and see me in Abuja. So I came to Lagos to come and see her. As the big girl I am, I can just like fly in and out. But that aside, yeah, I'm here now. You guys, I'm literally just about to leave for the airport, and then say that you miss me now. Tell them. I don't like that's one thing about me, so I can't be saying all that. Yeah. I'm so more. But why are you not showing? This is your video. Am I not showing? Yeah. What do you do here exactly? I talk to them about life. Is that true, guys? Yes, no. What exactly? Don't you watch my YouTube channel? I do. I do watch your channels. What do you mean? Well, you don't need to mention me here. I'm so comfortable. I'm not. Like, you guys, I don't do this. I'm surprised I am. You guys, tell them how I am. I don't like pictures. I don't. Nobody knows you are like ghost.
Yeah, it's only like people that know me in real life that okay. Is this
one picture?
yeah? I don't do that. See, we're very opposite, you guys. Betty is all like content and all like that, and me, I'm all like
mysterious.
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 Because I'm not trying to be mysterious or whatever. I'm just, I don't know. I'm not a social media person. I'm not. It's just like my people that I like talk to. Describe me.
Mysterious.
Yeah, I need to change your friends. Like,
Mysterious.
can't you, okay, in 5 words.
5 words.
Yeah, okay, 5 words.
Okay, good.
Number
1,
because this is pushing 8 years of friendship. Oh, I need to reevaluate some things.
Number 1, you shall be mysterious.
Okay. Yeah.
But you see, I'm not saying it because you are here,
right.
And I don't want you to feel like she likes me. I don't really like you like that. Ekene is kind. Ekene is really friendly. Ekene makes it easy to be friends with her. I don't like it though. I think I've seen what I said. I don't want to do now. Like friendship with Ekene has just been so easy. Even though sometimes she zones out. Like Ekene just be on her own. Everybody will be there, but she's doing her own thing. She'll be like,
can you see the tears? Like,
which tear? Yeah, you have to cry because I'm being a soft babe now. Yeah. Yeah. No. When she is a lie, it's not real. When she laughs, she cries.
Yeah, that's true.
I think you want this relationship.
When I laugh very hard.
Exactly.
Like,
See your sunscreen is going. Would you miss me now that you're going to Abuja? When next time I go to see you?
Oh, yeah, like that is just like 1 hour away. And like all you need to like do is like talk on the side.
Probably when I just get there, I'll just tell them that my name is Omete. I'm going to see Ekene.
You guys don't be letting me do this. She's a big girl.
Which big girl? Jesus, Ekene is the big girl here, and Ekene said she'll pay for my flight next month, so I'll come see her. So yeah, you said it now, and this is a video proof.
You guys, I feel like forget I'm like free. I'm feeling very awkward. I don't do this. I don't stay in front of the camera for this long. Yeah.
Don't worry. When next time you're going to do a longer one, because we didn't even do any long content, any long video content.
Okay, you forced me to make a TikTok. I think that's long enough.
That one is not long.
I feel like that's long enough. First of all,
see that video is memories. Sure, you know now. Forever and ever, we have that video. I'm going to post it on TikTok so that everybody will know you.
Hey, you have a TikTok?
Yes, sir.
I don't know.
Let me use your Twitter account. That'll be your ex account.
Okay, this girl created a Twitter account for me. I feel like
I can't remember the password again.
so. Okay, I see. I have much respect for people that are doing content, and it's not easy. Like having like multiple Instagram pages, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat.
I don't really Snapchat like that.
What's the other ones? YouTube. Exactly. So I give you guys thumbs up.
Yeah. Okay.
You guys are right.
Anyways, you guys have met Ekene. I talk about Ekene like Ekene. Jesus, Ekene, go and check.
No.
When I see video call, I put your video here.
When is video?
You don't watch my content.
No, it's only
you don't edit today's content. I put your video. We're video call and I put it.
That's a lie.
Okay, I'll find it and I'll insert it and you see. I'm not joking. Like you don't even know. You don't even see it. Your friends are the ones that don't watch your content.
No. You guys stop that. Meti,
I'm joking.
The last time tell them you're joking. Because I can remember the last time you posted and I've watched your video, but you haven't posted
I posted that one. But I've not posted in a while.
But
like I mean that time I did 30 days content. I put
our video call.
Yes, now. Like I told them I was on the video call. You won't spoke. They forgot it.
Oh yeah. I didn't know that you put it in, but so you inserted.
Yes.
Me looking like you.
Like it was
like
no, you're not that bad. So it's not even bad, so just your face.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyways, till next time, Ekene
on the Metalicious channel. You know that to like call out some people's names out here and what I've discovered in this my trip to Lagos, but I'll give you guys the tea another time. Yeah, and this is How do you shut down a YouTube? Like how do you end a YouTube video? The link in the bio, subscribe, like, and share, and yeah. Follow her socials. You guys, if you want, there's no socials to follow. First of all, my future husband. If you are here, okay. Are you serious? So that's it. What they call them, your audience or
community? I'm slowly building a community for their audience.
I'm gonna get some guys to watch you.
I don't want to. Anyways, bye.
Another video of the Messalicious.
Guys, I'm the one that will still pack this girl's bag. Pack her box again. Bye guys, hey. Every time I've ever applied for someone, like I was sitting on the block of like those type of things, and I took my time and I was very thorough with this particular application.